Hello, this is another video on self-hypnosis or physical self-hypnosis, specifically the body sway, which I use all the time. Comes from New Code NLP, and to me, it's the fastest, most effective way of communicating with your unconscious mind. Anybody can do it. I'm about to give you another little demonstration because somebody reached out to me and said that they didn't really quite understand it. So this is for you, and you know who I'm talking to. So anyway, here we go. So I'm going to stand up now, and hopefully you can see what I'm doing. This is all very ghetto. Don't be any editing because I'm not a great editor. I think I'm a better addiction therapist. Anyway, here we go. So the body sway. Stand up. Okay, so we stand up. Our chin's up, because what we're trying to do is make ourselves like a pendulum so we can really sink into our body, the body sway. So the chin's up, my feet are together, and then I tap. I just do that to kind of clear my chakras, if you want to get very esoteric, okay? But just a little sign to my unconscious mind, subconscious, okay? So here I go. Now, you can believe this or not, okay? So here I go. Tap. And I say, I would like to speak, I'd like to communicate with my unconscious mind. And if you're willing to communicate with me, could you give and show me an honest yes unconscious signal? So again, I'd like to communicate with my unconscious mind. If you're willing to communicate with me, could you give and show me a clear yes signal? So here we go. Unconscious mind, can you give and show me a yes signal, please? I'm going back. That's an Ideomotor signal. That's unconscious, smooth muscle using this. Thank you. I always like to thank it because it's me, but you want to get the unconscious on side. As I said before, be quite playful. Next one. For purposes of communication, could you give and show me a clear, unconscious no signal? Could you please give me a no signal? And we're forward now. Thank you. Now I've got a clear yes and no. From there, like in any hypnotic protocol, I can start communicating with my unconscious mind and find out if there's a positive intention behind behaviour, whether it's an addiction, you name it, a fear, limiting belief, etc., etc. This way, we stand up. To begin with, I would close my eyes and chin up so I can be really aware of this sway. But because I've been doing this for a long time, I can just stand like this and talk. Now, as you get better at this, because the signals will get better and stronger each time you do it, I don't even have to talk out loud. I can do it inside my mind like this. I'm just going to say, ask for a yes signal. Right? Etc. Right? We can do this. I'm moving the seat back in. You can see this is a well-polished video. But I just thought I want to show you something that there seems to be a lot of interest in self-hypnosis this channel, which is not originally what I wanted to talk about, but I'll go with it. It's something I do. And if rather there's lots of other self-hypnosis techniques, the Betietics, which is on this video, other stuff. But I like the body sway. I use it all the time. It's great for people like athletes, children, or people who are a bit like skeptical hypnosis. They will stand up. And when they get the sway, wow, people are like, right. Because I say, well, who did that? It wasn't me. But you can do this on your own. And really, when you think about it, for me anyway, hypnosis is a way of getting to the unconscious to communicate. Because unconscious mind's got all the data, everything we've done through our lives. And at times we might be operating a unuseful system, unuseful belief. And we can change that. So try the body sway. Please let me know what you think. If you like this, like it, comment, subscribe. I've got to say that because it's apparently that's what you see on YouTube. And I'll be back for the next one. Thanks again. Bye-bye.